In this video, you'll learn how to create a content management system using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up a Node.js application with Express, SQLite, and EJS for templating. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process from deciding on the technology stack to running your CMS application. To begin, it is essential to decide on the stack for your CMS. For a Windows environment, the recommended stack includes Node.js with Express for the backend, SQLite as a file-based database, and EJS as the templating engine for HTML. Node.js is a suitable choice, as it runs effectively on Windows and integrates seamlessly with development tools such as Visual Studio Code and Claude Code. Next, you need to set up your development environment. First, check if Node.js is already installed by opening your command prompt and typing node-v and npm-v. If these commands return version numbers, Node.js is installed. If not, download and install it from the official website. So once Node.js is confirmed, create your project folder by typing mgi1_cms_node, and then navigate into the folder with cd my_cms_node. Initialize a new Node.js file. After setting up your project, it is time to install the necessary dependencies. In the terminal, run pm install express EJS lis. This command will install Express, EJS, SQLite 3, and Body Parser, which are essential for your CMS. Ensure your internet connection is stable, since downloading these packages may take some time, especially if your connection speed is slow. Following the installation of dependencies, you will need to ask Claude Code to generate the necessary files for your CMS. You can use a prompt like create a Node.js CMS skeleton with Express that allows adding, editing, deleting, and listing articles with title and content. Use SQLite for storage and EJS templates. Claude Code will create a folder structure for you, which includes server.js, db.js, a routes directory, a views directory, and a package.json file. This structure is crucial for organizing your application components effectively. Next, you will need to create the server.js file. This file will set up the Express application, configure middleware, and define routes. Start by requiring the necessary modules and initializing the Express app. Use app.use bodyparser.url encoded data false to parse URL encoded data. Set the view engine to EJS with app.setView engine AJs. Finally, mount your articles routes and start the server by calling app.listen 3000, which will allow your CMS to run on http://localhost 3000. Make sure to check that there are no errors in the terminal before proceeding. Now, let's create the db.js file to manage your SQLite database. In this file, require the db SQLite 3 module and create a new database instance. Use the db.serialize method to ensure that database operations occur in the correct order. Inside this method, run a command to create an articles table if it does not already exist. This table will store the articles you create with fields for ID, title, and content. After writing the code, save the file and ensure that no errors are present. Next, implement the routes for your application in the articles.js file. Create routes for listing articles, creating new articles, editing, accessing articles, and deleting articles. Each route should handle the appropriate HTTP requests and interact with the database as needed. Use db.all to retrieve articles, db.run to insert, update, or delete articles. After setting up your routes, it is critical to test each one to show they function correctly. For the user interface, create simply JS templates like index.es and edit.es and edit.es. The index.es file should display the list of articles and provide links to create, edit, or delete articles. The create.es and edit.esm files should contain HTML forms for adding and modifying article content. It is important to verify that each template renders correctly when accessed through the browser. Finally, run your CMS by executing the command nodeserver.js in the terminal. Open your web browser and navigate http://localhost, so 3000 to access your CMS. You should be able to add, edit, and delete articles as intended. If you encounter any issues, check the terminal for error messages that may indicate what went wrong. Claude Code can significantly enhance your CMS development by generating route logic, creating EJS templates, refactoring repetitive code, suggesting database migrations, and even adding features like authentication or search capabilities. You can prompt Claude Code with requests such as add login system to CMS or make articles sortable by date to expand your project further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.